Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, let me show you how to view your your investment portfolio performance on Simple in 2025. It's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. I'm just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Simple accounts. So go ahead on Simple's website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. Once you sign into your account, you're going to click on the investment button that's in the top navigation bar. And then from the drop down menu, you're going to select investment portfolio. Next, you can view your portfolio investment portfolio performance, including the returns as well as fees, just to see how well that's performing. And you can just confirm the performance details by simply reviewing the information. That's pretty much it on how to view your investment portfolio performance on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.